have been coughing for a long time. Now you're coughing with yellow phlegm. You don't know what to do. In TSAM, we say there is heat around your lungs. And also, it indicates that your cold is almost, at the end, but it has been lingering for a long time. Don't worry, I have something for you. So 2 points, you massage them for a few minutes, several times a day. One is bend your elbow, you find a depression. And the second one is 2 fingers away from the wrist, and then this little bone just below it. This massage the 2 points, and you feel heavy, and that is good. The second one, try to avoid any spicy food, salty food, English tea with milk. The third, eat a lot of leafy veggies and also eat oily fish, such as salmon, herrings, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. The fourth one, I would recommend you chewing the fresh mint several times a day. It really helps to smooth the throat. Believe me, it really do a wonder.